Thanks for tuning in today and welcome to the channel. Flowers, with their vibrant hues, delicate petals, and intoxicating fragrances, have captivated human hearts for centuries. However, hidden within the vast tapestry of botanical wonders lie a group of flowers that are both rare and endangered. These exquisite blooms, faced with threats ranging from habitat loss to climate change, symbolize the fragility of our natural world. In this essay, we will explore the importance of rare and endangered flowers, the challenges they face, and the urgent need for conservation efforts to preserve their irreplaceable beauty. The significance of rare and endangered flowers. Rare and endangered flowers play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems. They often possess unique adaptations, such as specific pollination mechanisms or intricate relationships with certain animal species. These flowers act as ecological indicators, reflecting the overall health of their habitats. The loss of these floral treasures can disrupt entire ecosystems, affecting other plant and animal species that rely on them for sustenance and shelter. Challenges faced by rare and endangered flowers. Habitat loss and fragmentation. As human activities encroach upon natural habitats, forests are cleared, wetlands drained, and grasslands converted for agricultural and urban development. This loss of habitat is particularly devastating for rare flowers that have adapted to specific ecological niches, rendering them more vulnerable to extinction. Climate change, alterations in temperature, rainfall patterns, and seasonal cycles have profound effects on floral diversity. Rare flowers, often confined to specific geographic regions or high-altitude environments, struggle to adapt to rapidly changing conditions, reducing their chances of survival. Illegal collection and trade. Some rare flowers, due to their unique beauty or medicinal properties, become victims of illegal collection and trade. Poaching for ornamental purposes or harvesting for traditional medicine can drive these species closer to extinction, with demand often exceeding their natural regeneration rates. Invasive species. The introduction of non-native species can outcompete and displace native flora, posing a significant threat to rare and endangered flowers. Invasive plants disrupt ecosystems, altering nutrient cycles and diminishing pollinator populations, further endangering vulnerable species. The urgency of conservation efforts. Preserving rare and endangered flowers requires a multifaceted approach involving conservation organizations, governments, and public awareness. Some crucial measures include protected areas and habitat restoration. Establishing protected areas, such as national parks and nature reserves, safeguards critical habitats and provides refuge for endangered flowers. Restoration efforts can focus on rehabilitating degraded lands and creating corridors to connect fragmented habitats. Research and monitoring. Comprehensive studies on rare flower species are essential to understand their ecology, reproduction patterns, and habitat requirements. Monitoring programs can track population trends, identify threats, and facilitate informed conservation strategies. Sustainable land use practices. Promoting sustainable agriculture, forestry, and urban planning can help mitigate habitat loss and fragmentation. Encouraging environmentally friendly practices, such as organic farming and reforestation initiatives, minimizes the impact on rare flowers and their ecosystems. Collaboration and education. Collaboration among stakeholders, including researchers, local communities, and government agencies, is vital for effective conservation. Raising public awareness through educational campaigns, workshops, and botanical gardens can foster appreciation for rare flowers and inspire action to protect them. Rare and endangered flowers embody the essence of nature's irreplaceable beauty. Their conservation is not merely about preserving aesthetically pleasing blooms, it is about safeguarding the intricate web of life on our planet. By recognizing the significance of these fragile species, addressing the challenges they face, and actively participating in their protection, we can ensure that future generations will witness the breathtaking beauty of rare flowers and appreciate the inherent value of biodiversity. Links can be found below in the description box.